Hey guys, I hope you're having a good day. Okay, so we're going to read about the Sesame Street TV special. Sesame Street will have a TV special. This TV special will be on TV April the 14th, so it's coming up real soon. Sesame Street characters will be on the TV special. These characters include Elmo, Grover, the Cookie Monster, and Abby Cadabby. Famous people will be on the TV special too. The famous people include actors and singers. The characters and famous people have fun together. They sing songs and play games together. The fun TV special can help people feel less stress. I hope you guys have a great day and I hope to see you very soon. Bye.